Welcome to LaTeX in 90 minutes. This is a library workshop that we run for postgraduate students at the AUT Auckland University of Technology to help them learn the LaTeX editing system. LaTeX is used by students and academics all over the world to create beautiful, professional documents they can publish in journals and conferences. The workshop takes about 90 minutes. We make the workshop resources available for people to download and work through by themselves. The workshop guide is an Acrobat PDF document with slides that teach you how to write using LaTeX step by step. You can download the workshop guide from the AUT library website. It's a good idea to print out a copy so you can use the whole of your computer screen to write on. Why learn LaTeX instead of just using a word processor? 3 good reasons. One, very often you'll be writing your thesis at the same time you are creating a journal or conference paper. LaTeX helps you easily use the same material to write a conference or journal paper. Those documents will radically use different styles, but LaTeX keeps you focused on content while it manages the style of each document for you. 2, a thesis is a big document. LaTeX was designed to handle very big documents easily. Gluing together your thesis in a word processor is hard. Getting all the references, page numbers, tables of contents, and figure numbers correct in each chapter can be tricky. LaTeX makes that a lot easier, especially when you move text and figures between chapters. Again, LaTeX helps you stay focused on the content, not the style of the thesis or the paper you are writing. Dr. Alan Litchfield from AUT has created a complete LaTeX AUT thesis template that you can use. It contains all the important sections you need to start writing your thesis quickly. By the end of this workshop, you will have turned the thesis template into your own document so you can keep writing easily. And third, LaTeX is now used by a large community of academic writers just like you. AUT is full of people with lots of experience who are keen to help. LaTeX is great for collaborative writing, and we have a big community of LaTeX learners and experts who help each other. So you're not alone here at AUT if you get stuck or need help. How to get the most out of this workshop? There are 3 things we have learnt while teaching this workshop at AUT. First, go at your own pace. You do not need to finish everything in 90 minutes. Second, each slide is designed to teach you just 1 or 2 things. Make sure you follow each slide step by step without missing any, even if you think you understand that part already. Don't rush ahead too fast. Take your time to try out each command on the slide. And third, look closely at what the red arrows and the red circles are pointing at on the slides. They show you the correct steps to take and which buttons to click in the right order. If things don't seem to work, go back and repeat the steps carefully. There are 4 stages in this workshop. In step 1, you'll create a simple one-page document. You will learn how to find your way around the Overleaf LaTeX editor to display text in italic and bold fonts. That's all we're doing in that one page. Then in step 2, you will create your thesis. You start by personalizing it with your own title, supervisor information, example chapters, and you'll add sections and graphics, citations and references. In step 3, we stop briefly and you learn where to find great free LaTeX resources to help you on the web. These will keep you learning by yourself after the workshop. My email address is at the back of the workshop guide, so keep in touch if you need help. I love hearing from students how they found this workshop and seeing what they create. And in step 4, there's a homework exercise that will produce a conference paper using exactly the same commands you learned while creating your thesis. We have learned that if you complete this exercise within a week after the workshop, the concepts will stick in your mind. Most people complete their paper in a couple of evenings with a good coffee or a pot of tea. But most of all, have fun. LaTeX is an amazing environment to learn to write in. Have fun.